Sir, voice is not come.
I have not started yet.
सर वॉइस नहीं आ रही।
हाँ, और थोड़ा और जोर से बोलो बेटा, आ जाएगी। Okay, so we are starting with the zero of a polynomial, right? Zeros of a polynomial. Zeros of a polynomial. Zeros of a polynomial. This is the topic. So students, I have taken a polynomial, suppose x square, right? X square minus x minus 12. So I have taken a polynomial. Suppose I have taken this polynomial x square minus x minus 12. Now the question is, find the zeros of this polynomial. You can write on this, write on with me. Find of this polynomial. Okay, this is the question. How will you do this question? We will learn while solving this question. So students, see, polynomial we can name like p, small p. All right, are you writing with me? Polynomial we can name as p, small p. Keep the videos on so that I can see are you doing or not. So we can, first of all, हमें क्या करना होता है, polynomial का नाम रखना होता है. So we can write the polynomial like this. So the polynomial is x square minus x minus 12. Okay. And now the variable, what is the variable here? Everybody, what is the variable here?
Sir, X.
Variable
X.
x. Variable is x. So वही ब्रैकेट में नाम रखना होता है. So our polynomial name is px is equal to x square minus x minus 12. अब हम क्या करेंगे, बारी बारी से सारी चीजें रख के देखेंगे. Let us put x equal to 0. तो p0 क्या आएगा, 0 minus 12. ये तो बन गया minus 12. ये तो 0 के बराबर होता ही नहीं है. अच्छा ये बताओ कि इसकी डिग्री कितनी है. व्हाट इज द डिग्री ऑफ दिस पॉलिनोमियल?
2.
2. तो बेटा जीरोस भी 2 ही होंगे. दैट मींस इट हैज 2 zeros and those zeros are also known as roots of the expression of the polynomial. अच्छा अब हम p को 1 रख के देखते हैं, नहीं x को 1 रख के देखते हैं. ठीक है, here 1 square minus 1 minus 12. 1 square भी 1 होता है. If you find it, it will be minus 12. Again, this is not equal to 0. Okay. I hope you are writing. फिर हम p को -1 रख के देख लेते हैं. This is just practice बेटा. This is just practice. हम सीखने के लिए ये सारा कर रहे हैं. इसमें बहुत सारे लेंगे हम. 1 -1 2 -2 3 -3 4 -4 ऐसे सब करके देखेंगे. so that हमारी प्रैक्टिस हो जाए. चलो everybody find -1, p -1. Come on, सारे बच्चे अपना खुद करो, p -1 find करो. So here it is x square means -1 square, then minus, then x. Okay, then x, then it is -1, then it is 12. Sorry, -12. So -1 square means +1, and minus minus, that is again +1, -12. This is giving you -10. Okay, this is giving you -10, and this is not a polynomial. Now this is not a zero. Zero meaning hai. So students, what we did, we have found p0, p1, p -1. इसमें से कोई भी जीरो नहीं बना. Okay, now let us find p2, p -2. Let us find all these two, p2, p -2. p2 2 square -2 -12. Come on, solve. मेरे से पहले सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करो. Many of you know it. बहुत सारे बच्चों को ये आता है, तो पहले कर लो. मेरे से पहले, मेरे से आगे. So -2 square 4. This is -2 -12. This is again giving you -10, and this is not equal to 0. This is not equal to 0. Let us find p -2. Come on, find everybody faster. When you do it, then only you will come to know what is the mistake. So it is -2 square minus again -2 in the bracket. Did you get it? This is minus, and this is x. X is -2. So -2 will be a separate minus. Then it is -12. So this is giving you -2 square 4, minus +2, -12. So -6 -12, this is -6, and this again is not equal to 0. Okay. So we have found p2 and p -2 also. Let us find p3. Now let us find p3. 3 square -3 -12 gives you 9, -3 -12. This gives you -6. Again, this is not equal to 0. Very bad. कब 0 आएगा? Can anybody tell me? कोई बताएगा कब 0 आएगा? थक गए. So let us now try p -3. Let us now try p -3. Please be fast in writing. p -3. So -3 square, p -3 square, and then -3, then -12. Now what is this? -3 square is 9, and minus +3, -12. Arey, this is 0. Wow, we got a 0. We got a 0 at -3. So hence x is equal to -3 is a 0. लेकिन अभी एक ही 0 मिलेगी. It must have 2 zeros because it is a quadratic, because its degree is 2. So hence this must have 2 zeros. तो एक और 0 अभी पता करनी है. So let us try 4. Now let us try 4. So it is 4 square minus 4 minus 12. This gives you 16 minus 4 minus 12, and this is also a 0. So we got both the zeros. हमें दोनों zeros मिल गई. एक है -3, दूसरी है 4. Okay, so let us write down
Yes,
the
sir.
answer. So x is equal to -3 and x is equal to 4 are the zeros of, then you can write down the polynomial of the given polynomial. आगे होगा 0 किसको बोलते हैं. Now let us revise. देखो 1 पे 0 नहीं हुआ तो 1 0 नहीं है. 0 पे 0 नहीं हुआ तो 0 भी 0 नहीं है. 3 पे 0 नहीं हुआ तो 3 भी 0 नहीं है. -3 पे 0 हो गया, so -3 is the 0 of the polynomial. 4 पे 0 हो गया तो 4 is a 0 of the polynomial. ठीक है, वैल्यू रखने पे जब 0 बन जाए then it is the 0 of the polynomial. I hope it is clear. इसकी लर्निंग में बेटा इतना ही है, बहुत ज्यादा नहीं है इसकी लर्निंग में. और जैसे मैंने अभी किया ऐसे ही आपको ऑलमोस्ट सारा काम करना है. बट मैं एक एग्जांपल आपको, मतलब एक्सरसाइज में से एक क्वेश्चन आपको करके दिखाऊंगा. Yesterday we did the types of polynomials. Okay, this is a constant polynomial. This is a Karthik. So this is a constant polynomial, है ना? This is a monomial. This is the binomial. All right. This was so this is a constant polynomial 3. Similarly 4 is a monomial and constant polynomial. What is 0? This is again a 0 constant
Sir,
polynomial.
only 3 is constant polynomial.
नहीं, कोई भी हो, चाहे -7 है वो भी कांस्टेंट पॉलिनोमियल है. जैसे 8 है, -8 है वो भी कांस्टेंट पॉलिनोमियल है. तो ये 0 is also a constant polynomial. But 0 is also called a zero polynomial. 0 को जीरो पॉलिनोमियल भी बोलते हैं. एक चीज और बतानी थी मुझे करके. Okay, now come on to the exercise. See, question number 1 and 2 are easy to do. I will solve one problem from the question number 3, and I'll let you know how to solve these questions. इन questions को solve कैसे करना है मैं थोड़ा समझाने के लिए I'll take one example out of this. So what I can do, I can take example number 4. So what is the question? Verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomials indicated against them. क्या है? Whether यानी आपको बताना है कि जो सामने वैल्यूज दी हैं क्या उस पॉलिनोमियल की जीरो है या नहीं है. So question number 3 and 4th part is px is equal to, you write with me, px is equal to x plus 1 x minus 2 x minus 2 x plus 2 x minus 2. Okay, where x is equal to, we have two values -1 and 2. तो हमें बताना है कि ये -1 और 2 जो है ये इसके जीरोस हैं कि नहीं है. Solution, we are putting p -1. पहले हम ये जो है this thing -1 ये निकाल के देखेंगे. We are substituting p equal to -1. Now see here, यहाँ पे ध्यान दो आप, ब्रैकेट हमने भी ब्रैकेट लिख दिया, x की वैल्यू -1 लिख दी, then plus, then 1, then bracket close. Alright, then here x is there, so -1 and then -2. This is equal to -1 into +1, 0, and that is -3. And you know very well 0 into anything is 0. So therefore x is equal to -1 is a 0 of px. px था ना पॉलिनोमियल जो दिया हुआ था. This is how you need to solve. 0 आ जाएगा तो 0 है, 0 नहीं आएगा तो is not a 0. Now let us try 2. Now let us try 2. Okay, so p of 2 is equal to bracket start 2 plus 1 2 minus 2. So 2 plus 1 3 and 2 minus 2 is 0. This gives you 0. Therefore ये भी 0 हो गया. Therefore x is equal to 2 is a 0 of px. So बेटा ये सारी प्रॉब्लम, ये सारा क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 इस तरह से सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करनी है. Now let us come to question number 4. Okay, I'll try to solve a question like this. I'm giving you a question, note down the question with me. Question like 4. What is the question? A polynomial, a linear polynomial is given to you and you have to find the 0 of the given polynomial. Okay. So write down the question. Problem. Find 0 of the polynomial. Come on, write down fast with the black pen. Find the 0 of the polynomial. I'll take something like this. Px is equal to 3 plus 5x. Solution. How shall we find the 0 of the polynomial? Ready? Ready, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अब जिसका नेटवर्क नहीं था ना, जिसका नेटवर्क कमजोर है, वो पता कैसे बोल रहा था, yes, like he is sleeping. So how shall we do? हम px को equal to 0 रखेंगे. Okay, we shall put तो राइट ऑन लेट LET लेट px इज इक्वल टू 0। फिर लेट के नीचे आ जाएगा आपका दिस इंप्लाइज का साइन, फिर आ जाएगा px की वैल्यू 3 + 5x इक्वल टू 0। 3 + 5x is equal to 0. So students, now we are solving this equation which you have learned in the previous class. We are just solving. We are subtracting 3 from both sides. 3 - 3 0, 0 - 3 -3. या आपकी लैंग्वेज में 3 उधर जाके माइनस का 3 हो गया। ये आपकी लैंग्वेज है, मैथ की लैंग्वेज नहीं है। मैथ की लैंग्वेज में बोलते हैं we are subtracting 3 from both sides. अच्छा, अभी 5 के मामले में क्या बोलेंगे? Do you have any idea? 5 के मामले में क्या बोलेंगे? This implies.
Sir, please.
Be careful.
Sir, please repeat this. There was network problem.
So हमने दोनों तरफ we have subtracted 3 in both sides. We have subtracted 3 on both sides. So 3 - 3 0 here, and 0 - 3 is -3 here. In the next step, now 5 भी उधर ले जाना है हमने। 5 उधर जाके हो जाएगा, that is your language, है ना? 5 उधर जाके क्या हो जाएगा? Divide. But that is your language.
Minus.
What is the language of math? Math की language में आएगा, let us divide 5 with 5 on both sides. Let us divide with 5 on both sides. So I'm dividing with 5 on both sides. So finally we are getting this as a 0. ये आ गई उस पॉलिनोमियल की 0। यहाँ पे I small is a 0 of px. This is how you will solve question number 4. Now beta, do it now. अभी भी करो और send me the solution of this exercise 2.2 as soon as possible. This is very easy exercise and enjoyable. So do it fast. Thank you.